Hey guys, what's up? We're back for round 2 of our summer challenge, which still is like not got a name. Play it forward. Okay, so we did our last 2 challenges. We did them. Good job. Bam. Took us to like the end of the week to do it, but that's okay. It happened.
I know,
So
mine was like super last minute, but I had to wait till work, and yeah, so.
Welcome to adulting, guys. Yeah, it was. I had a good time. I think you had a good time. It was fun.
Rather easy, so I'm ready for more challenge.
Mine was short but hard. And so you can find episode 1 below, as well as we're gonna be posting like Sarah's card got tracked, so you can find links to like where our cards are currently. Yeah, whatever. Just have fun. Check out below. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna pick a new card.
I'm still going first. You should go first this time.
Oh. Mission objective: connect. Give this card to someone who makes you smile. Hand this card to the first person you see who, for whatever reason, makes you smile. I'm gonna stretch this card a little bit. I'm not gonna give it to the very first person because Sarah, you make me smile. That would suck. So I'm gonna like find someone special
who it stands out. It's a smile that stands out to you.
I think actually I might take it to rehearsal.
I was gonna say a coworker
right away. Oh, we don't even know this girl yet. It's only been like 2 weeks.
I don't think
She's
so.
weird.
Mission objective: create. Oh, I can't do these.
Oh!
I have to write. Is it haiku?
Haiku.
Haiku. I have to write a. I just said it and you forgot how to say it.
No, I realized I was repeating what I just said.
I realized I was repeating what I literally just said.
But once it's written, just start over. It's like,
I don't know how I'm gonna edit that. Once it's written. So I have to write a haiku, give it to someone along with this card.
that's gonna be fun. Haikus are really hard though.
This is fill the world with endless joy. I don't know if it's a topic or it's just like.
Oh, I think that is a haiku. It's a haiku about writing a haiku. Anyway,
It's 575.
I think you should write about like something happy.
I'm gonna write it about the card.
Okay.
Like what you're supposed to do. Like
Pass
instructions.
this along and track online.
No, not like that boring. I'm gonna make it interesting.
Wow.
I'll write it in like
She's saying
Shakespearean.
that I'm boring.
Okay,
So-
so here we go.
So here we go, round 2. These are gonna be. We have been interrupted. We have to go eat dinner now. But
Oh my god. Okay.
so yes, we're gonna go and we're gonna do these cards, and that's gonna be fun. So check them out.
Hey, Summer.
Yeah.
I have a present for you.
Hold on.
Okay, real quick before we go. What's your present?
Oh, thank you. Wait. Shoot.
You pass it along.
I want to make you smile.
So you can take it to Florida and pass it along.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bang, now I've completed our YouTube channel.
Oh, that's it.
Now off to the Twins game.
Yay.
Yay!